Okay, so the next assignment is to allow the user to actually buy a product. Now what I'm going to do is, as soon as I start, I'm going to say give me a Snickers. Okay, and you can see that it says you need at least 25 cents to buy a Snickers. Your current balance is 0 cents because we haven't added anything, right? So I'm going to say add a quarter, and it says okay, I added a quarter. You have entered state 25. Now I'm going to say give me a Snickers, and you can see that it says okay, here is a Snickers bar, your balance is now 0 cents, which is great, wonderful. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say give me a Twix. You can see that it says your balance must be at least 50 cents to buy a Twix. Your current balance is 0 cents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a quarter, and I'm going to say the same thing again, give me a Twix. And once again, it's not going to allow you to buy because your balance is still not sufficient. So let's add another quarter. And now I'm going to say give me a Twix, and this time it's coming back with okay, here is a Twix, your remaining balance is 0 cents. Okay, now let's just change it a bit. Let's add a quarter, add another quarter, and now the balance is 50 cents. And if I were to say give me a Snickers, you can see that okay, here's a Snickers bar, your balance is now 25 cents. And because I still have 25 cents left, I should be able to get another Snickers bar. So let's check that. Give me a Snickers. And you can see that it says okay, here's a Snickers bar, your balance is now 0 cents. If I were to try to get one more Snickers, it should refuse it because I don't have any balance left at the moment. So this is the flow which you should, again, you should be able to do all this just using page transitions and the state machine concept that you've already learned. And you should be able to move the bot from state to state based on what balance is available based on the action that the user has performed. So this is the second assignment.